All right, let's do some Mathity-Math. The question we have here is vector 5i plus 30j parallel to vector negative 11i minus 16j? Okay, so I think there's a little bit here we need to kind of address and unpack, and then we can cruise through this problem, no problem. All right, so the question is, or what we need to understand is, what does it mean when something is parallel? So when something is parallel, for instance, if two lines are parallel, if I can use some of my pens and markers here, if two lines are parallel, that means they travel at the same direction and they never touch. Now, if two lines are parallel and they're traveling at the same direction, oops, there it goes, then they would have the same slope. So a good way to kind of tackle these and see if they have the same slope is just to rewrite these in slope form. Okay, so when we think about slope, the slope of a line is, we call it rise over run, or the change in y over the change in x. Or sometimes we just write it as y over x. Okay, so we can do that. So we look at this, when we have the i's are our x values and the j's are our y values. So if we want to put the slope of this vector, it would just be the y over the x. It would just be 30 over 5. There you go. That is the slope of that vector. And same idea, understanding that the I is x and the j is y, and we know slope form is just y over x. Again, same idea. I'll just put in negative 66 over negative 11. And so then the question is, well, if these slopes are the same, then yes, they are parallel. And if these slopes are different, then no, they are not parallel. So let's just do some division. What is 30 divided by 5? Well, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. It goes in 6 times. So this one would be 6. And then how many times does negative 11 go into negative 66? Well, 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66. It goes in 6 times and is positive because the two negatives make a positive. And you can see that they are the same. So the slopes are the same. The slopes are the same, therefore they are parallel. So you would just write the answer, yes. Whoop, there you go. All right, that is the answer. You should be very proud of yourselves for doing that. That's a great problem. And as always, if you want to be notified where I make more practice problems just for you, go ahead and subscribe and you'll be notified when that happens. And if you have any questions, comments, or something you want to see, there's something you need me to do, just leave a comment below and I will read it and respond as quick as I can. Okay, thank you. Bye.